Bitgert is among the best crypto to invest in for those who want to invest today. It has left some awesome cryptos like Solana and Cardona in the rear. With its potential to explode, it's going to make investors rich and even millionaires. And that is what we'll cover in today's video. How and why Bitgert can make overnight millionaires and how you can become one of them. You're watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we'll never ask you for your number or personal information, and we certainly will not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. Let's start off with an overview of the Bitgert coin. It is a crypto project launched by an anonymous team back July 2021 that has now surpassed some of the major cryptocurrencies. It was built on the BNB chain and initially used BNB as the native token on the blockchain. However, in 2022, the BCR20 blockchain was introduced. It has a vast list of blockchain products like Bryce Dap Wallet, Bryce Staking, Bryce Bridger, Bryce Swap, and so on, where Bryce is the native token of the new blockchain, now being used for staking and returns in the form of awards. Why is Bitgert huge right now? Some of the most significant features that are the reason for the sudden and huge success of Bitgert are these. Number one, it has near zero gas fees, precisely just $0.00000000001 for one transaction. Number two, it supports very high-speed cross-chain transactions, precisely 100,000 transactions per second. Moreover, it covers vast areas such as metaverse, DeFi, NFTs, and more. Its products are extremely useful. For instance, the Bryce Dap wallet is a multi-currency crypto wallet and is currently safe and secure. Similarly, all of its products, Bridge, Swap, Bryce, Staking, etc., are equally significant. It is relying on the Proof of Stake authority mechanism. It works with leaderboard support and audit solutions to keep Bitgert safe and secure to the best level. One of the key reasons for the immense growth of Bitgert is its partnerships. These partnerships are announced on a weekly basis, and more than 100 of these are coming out this week, due to which Bitgert is predicted to increase by a large sum in the next few days. Price prediction of Bitgert coin. Why don't we take a look at some numbers? As of the time of this video being made, the Bitgert coin stands at the price level of $0.0000058 with a maximum level of $0.0000006. It has a 24-hour trading volume of $5,094,510, which has increased by 200% approximately, while the market cap is $234,221,065, which has shown a 13% increase. In this current week, that is the last week of September, Bitgert is predicted to increase by 50%, whereas BNB and others are assumed to be struggling to retain their current position. Should you invest in Bitgert? Now, the question of the day, should you or should you not invest in Bitgert? Well, the answer is very controversial. According to some experts, this growth is temporary and will eventually result in a loss of money. However, more experts are of the view that Bitgert is and will be more successful than BNB, Solana, and such projects. You can now buy Bitgert tokens from many platforms like PancakeSwap, Mexi, Hotbit, and Gate.io, so make sure to take up on this opportunity so that you won't regret it later. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section, and do come back for more of these informative videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.